It's the size of a nostril hair. The dog's bollocks, but it's a pile of shit. Let's put it on, shall we? Who else has got one of these? What's it for? What? Oh, it's got hair on it. Look at that. It looks like a sex toy, doesn't it? I mean, seriously. Oh, I've just been looking for this. Yay! Hi guys, so I thought I'd do a video today of all of the products that I've purchased because I've watched them on YouTube and somebody has told me that they're amazing and I'm like, oh okay, I have to buy it. So I just wanted to run through a couple of items that I've kept. I'm a bit of a hoarder and I don't really like throwing things away, but I'm going to try today to stop having that theory, and I've got the bin next to me on the floor and I'm going to try and be a little bit ruthless. So let's crack on, shall we? I hope you're all well. Thank you for watching my video so far, and consider subscribing if you have a laugh with me today. And let's go first. Let's go on. So first one, I have got. Where are we going to start? Where shall I start? I'm just going to tip all of these and all of that all over the desk. So right, okay. First up, I've got a Ciate. I don't know if anyone remembers this. It was quite the rage, and I bought this from Sephora in America probably about 6 years ago. Ciate Glitter Flip. Basically, it's a lipstick that you put on. Let's put it on, shall we? It's a lipstick that you put on, and then when you press your lips together, I've already got Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner on. When you put this on, I think when you press your lips together you get a load of glitter. That's going to be funny, isn't it? Because it's Saturday morning and I'm going to look overdressed. So, ugh. My God, that's awful. I think this is the purpose of this video though, isn't it? Ugh. There you go. What a disgusting colour. Right, that's going straight in the bin. I think I have to let it dry. And when it dries, I'm going to smack my lips together, and we will be dazed by the glitter that's inside of it. Can you see my freckles today? I bought some of that Freck stuff. Look, I bought that. I can't help but feel cute when I got it. I think that was like £17. It's the smallest thing in the world. It's the size of a nostril hair. Okay, right. I'm just going to leave that for a little bit longer. Let's go through what else I've got here. I've got a zillion, what do you call it, setting sprays. You know me and setting spray and primer. Okay, right, so let's start with this one. Kat Von D Lash Liner. I don't even know what this is. I looked at it today and thought, I don't remember buying that. So it's a black liner. I thought this was one that you bought to go in my inner water line because, you know, I've got watery eyes. And it's literally just a big black blob thing. I've no idea what it is. Does anyone know what this is? Does anyone have any success with it? I'm going to keep it because maybe one day I might need to dress up and look like a witch or a ghost or something. So that's going to stay, but in my... not going to use in a million years. Right, are you ready for this? Let's zoom you in. Let's do the thing on with my lips. Oh. There you go. Totally unwearable, but I'm going to wear it for the rest of this video, because why not? Ugh, it's ghastly, isn't it? I hope if someone starts watching this halfway through, they're going to think that's what I've chosen to wear today. Right, okay, let's move on. I'm going to leave that on my hand. Right, okay, so next up we've got these, and these are from Misha. I got them from Yes Style. They were recommended by Robert Welsh. It's all his fault. Yes, they're dirty, and I have no idea where the lids are. These are BB creams with SPF 42 PA+++. I'm going to squirt the colours on here, and you'll be amazed. I bought both the colours that he buys. His skin colour looks similar to mine. Obviously, I'm fake tan to the hilt at the moment. These are the two colours. They had 4 shades. This one here looks like a mushroom colour. I have no idea who would wear that. And then that's another one. They were nice on. They smell nice. But let's be honest, I'm never going to wear them because they're nothing like the colour of my skin. So not unless Casper the Ghost comes around for a makeover, which is highly unlikely. Oh, my word is going everywhere. Right, okay, so they are going in the bin. Okay, on to something different. We've got Bourjois Rouge Edition Velvet. This is a red matte lipstick, and it's of consistency of wallpaper paste. As you can see, it grips onto your lips horrendously and makes them look, well, actually probably not as bad as that. Should I take this off and put that on? No, I'm going to keep this on for the rest of the day. That's really bad. I don't know how much it was, probably about £8 or something like that. It smells delicious, but it literally looks like jam. That's Jello to you and me. Now when you rub it in like that, it looks quite even, but it honestly it was horrendous, and that's going into the bin. Oh, this is good actually. I'm going to just get that makeup remover off, get that off of my hand before I look like, oh, sorry about that. Right, that's going in the bin. That's rubbish. Right, next up, this, it's another, look, there's obviously a theme here. Another sparkly lipstick. This is from Kat Von D, another one, and it's called Everlasting. I can't see the shade. Daze or Dazzle or something like that. This is ghastly. I have no idea why I bought this. There's a little, you can tell there's a theme going on, isn't there, of me trying to buy. There's actually a really, really gold shimmer in that. I don't think you can see it. There you go. Awful. Another load of Jello. Actually, that doesn't really want to come off. That's going in the bin as well. Yeah, that's definitely going in the bin. Get that off. Look. Dirty bitch. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty Gertie, number 30. Sorry, should have prepared for this really, shouldn't I? I didn't think I was going to do any swatching, but I can't help myself. That literally won't come off my hand. Hang on, let me rub it a little bit harder. Now rub all my fake tan off now. Right, okay, that's that. That's gone into the bin. Next one, Chanel. This is the Soleil Tan de Chanel. This is their notoriously famous cream bronzer, which smells like absolute heaven. It's gorgeous, and when you rub your finger in it, it feels like powder. I'm going to put a swatch of it there. I can't get cream products to work for me. I just feel like I look more and more and more and more oily as time goes on. And it's quite orange. I think it only comes in one shade. So that's a fail for me, and I have actually got it out 3 or 4 times over the course of 3 or 4 years, and it just doesn't work for me. But I'm not going to throw it away, because you never know. You never know. Oh, and another. This is Tati Westbrook's Fault, Glam Life Guru. This is I can't remember what this was called. Something beautiful. It comes with in the spatula. It's great. It's fantastic. Really odd looking. Actually looks like my fingernail, doesn't it? So yeah, there you go. It's like a bright fuchsia colour. I've worn it once, I think, before. There you go, on my hand. Again, it smells amazing. It looks quite deep red, but when you put it on your lips, it's so fuchsia. I look like my grandma used to look, and that's not really a look I want to repeat, because you know it's alright when you're 85 and you've got bright fuchsia lipstick on. There you go. I've just taken that off with La Roche-Posay Remove Every Bloody Thing oily remover, and that's not budged. So I'm going to keep it, because you know I got the high-end stuff. It's just I can't really throw it away. Oh, that comes out of the bronzer. I'll put that away in a minute. Right, okay. Next up, I've got 2 of these. I bought the first one. This was called, I think it's Kitten Karma. These from Stila, oh my god, they're amazing. They're absolutely gorgeous. Look, I'm going to put them all over my hands, because I wore this to a Christmas party once, and obviously it didn't suit me at all, because it's just a sparkle and I've got hooded eyes, and it flaked all down my face. And then like 2 years later I went and bought this one knowing full well that I'd never wear it, and this is like a khaki green colour, and it's called La Douce. Now look, I mean, come on, they are amazing products, but Maybe I'd like to try and do a look with that on it and put it on my, you know, I don't know. I'm going to keep them because I just can't throw them away. By the way, do you like my freckles? I bought this. This was hundreds of pounds. Not really, but yes, it's my fake freckle thing and I love it. Right, next up, Benefit High Beam. I bought that. I'm going to teach my camera to focus on its own. Maybe I'm not. There we go. I have to use the other hand now. This is probably very similar to the other product I'm struggling with. It's a highlighter. Probably a bit too pinky for me. It's still, I don't know. Still sticking to my face. Seems to take all my makeup off rather than enhance what I look like. So I'm going to keep that because it's a little pot and it's quite cute. This one. Now come on, we've all been here, gone through this together. The Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. This is the most awful thing. Look at the state of that. It's a packaging nightmare. Does anyone get on with this thing? It looks lovely on the skin. It really does. It picks up my makeup. I don't know. It lasts a long time, but I'm not loving and hating it. I can't decide. I'm not throwing it away. That's for sure. But you know, you guys, or you, obviously the famous people aren't watching me. They all made me buy it, and I'm disappointed. Mascara, Maybelline. OG, apparently. This one is the dog's bollocks, but it's a pile of shit. That's going straight in the bin. This one here, look. Ann Summers would be proud of that. Look, all those, what are these bumps for, really? You know, do we need bumps all over our mascara? That clumped like a clown. Also gone into the bin. I was told that this was one of the best black eyeshadows in the world. If I can get it open, it's Urban Decay. Oh. And it's called Blackout. I disagree. I found it was quite patchy. It looks alright on my hand actually, but on application it was a reject, but I'll keep that because it's pretty. This one. So I was said I had a switch, a Veramoda switch, but I've got this. What the hell's that in the middle? I don't know. Got this. You're supposed to get your brushes and you wipe your brush all around it and it takes the colour off. But then you end up with a big pot of brown eyeshadow at the bottom, which feels really dirty, so I don't use that anymore. But I'm still going to keep it. I'm not doing very well, am I? Right, not much left now. This. Who's got one of these? I mean, the full-size one. Sorry, Dolly's irritating. Dolly! What's the matter? Obviously nothing. So yes, I think this was to do that with, which I use my finger for. It's very, very pretty, and sorry Nick and Sam from Real Techniques, but I think that's rubbish and that's gone in the bin. Now, look at that lot. Oh, no, wait a minute. I've forgotten something. This. Kat Von D lash liner. I don't know what this is. I don't remember buying it. Well, I think I might have, but I thought it had a wheel in it. I might be getting confused with something else. Just wonder if my lips are getting any sparklier. This is an eyeliner. Well, it's just like a wand. I don't really know what it is. It's just a thick, and then you just get like a big thick black line. And it does stay on, so I might keep the hold of that in case I have to dress up as a fancy dress thing, because it does stay on. I remember buying it thinking it would be great in my waterline. Talking of waterlines, I've got lots of bogies in my eyes. Yes, I thought I'd be able to use that in my waterline, and it didn't really work. It didn't really stay. So that was that. And then all of this other stuff. Oh no, hang on. There's one more. Two more. This one here. Raw Beauty Christie. It's your fault, this one. Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Tease. Oh, this is awful. Absolutely awful. I'm going to put this over the top of what I've got now. It makes me look like I'm dead. What was I thinking? I mean, seriously, this is just ghastly. Yeah, so raw beauty, oh, that stinks as well. That's going in the bin. That's really rank. And then the last lot, setting sprays. Right, okay, let's go through them, shall we? Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm going to spray them. For some reason, this has got 2 lids. One outer lid and one inner lid. That's just a little spray. Does nothing. But I'm keeping these because one day I might need them. This was the makeup finishing spray that Wayne Goss recommended. Wayne, thanks for letting me waste my money. Spray again. Smells quite similar to the last one. I think they're from the same group, aren't they? Elf Magic. I don't know who made me buy that. Buddy the Elf, maybe. Oh, I had the NYX one as well. Max Fix Plus. I think it's one of the first things I bought. And absolutely horrendous. Load of shit. I have no idea. Look at that. Does nothing. Just makes me look greasy. And then this one. Well, I don't know. I feel like because it's so expensive, it works, but I don't think it actually does. This was Tatty or Tarty or Glam Life Guru. Anyway, oh no, one more. Milani, Make It Last. Now that's really interesting because look, there's not much in there left at all, and I don't even remember using it. Yeah, no rubbish. So yeah, they're. I'm actually right. Elf, Milani, Mac Fix Plus, gone. Oh, I'm keeping the Morphe, the Skindinavia and the Urban Decay just because they cost lots of money, and that's it really. Oh no, one more. Sorry, 2 more. Urban Decay Brow Blade. I really liked this when it first came out, but I bought the wrong colour, and I'm not ginger. I don't know what happened. The other end was a pencil. Ooh, looks like my lipstick, doesn't it? What's going on with my focus thing? There you go. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, yeah, that's not too bad. It's rubbish. It's a bit scratchy. So that was a load of rubbish. That's going in the bin. And last of all, I think everyone probably on here has got one of these. Ta-da! Ugh. Soap brows. I went through a stage of it, and actually, yeah, it did work. It held my eyebrows up. But the trouble is, I haven't got any hair, so I still ended up making them look all weird anyway. So. Yeah, you've listened to me for long enough now. That's most of the shit that I've bought and, you know, not had success with. And they just take up space in my cupboard. But, you know, we do stuff like that. Look, apologies for the state of my mouth. I do look like an 80s or 90s. What decade was this fashionable? Anyway, I hope you're all right. Saturday lunchtime, I feel like I need a bacon roll or something. Really fancy a bacon roll. I haven't got any bacon. Oh, I've got bacon. I've got bacon in the freezer. It'll take too long to defrost, won't it? Anyway, thank you for your company. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Don't go. Tell me what you've got below. Tell me if you've got anything the same as me that you think is fantastic, or if you've got something the same as me and you think it's brilliant, or rubbish. And, you know, maybe it's just me. I don't know. I don't buy so much makeup these days, but obviously I've still got loads of it in the cupboard from when I did. Anyway, have a great day. See you soon. Bye.